In this video, we'll discuss the Scikit-Learn Data Cache function using UnifyML SQL. We'll show how to run the data cache algorithm with a UnifyML query. Here, we run the Scikit-Learn Data Cache function using UnifyML SQL. Now, let's take a look at the simple Scikit-Learn Data Cache function. Start by mentioning your required input table and the output cache ID. The data cache function in Scikit-Learn saves your dataset to a parquet file for improved performance. When running UnifyML queries, you can use the input cache ID instead of the input table to improve performance and speed up data access. There are a few more parameters for the Scikit-Learn Data Cache function. You can refer to our UnifyML documentation for additional details. Partition column. Specify the column you want to use for partitioning. Input columns. If you wish to cache specific columns, use the input columns parameter. Input data types. If you need to change the data types of any column, you can specify the input data types parameter. Parallelism. Configure parallelism settings and number partitions. Define the number of partitions. Cache type. Choose the type of cache. By default, it will be saved to disk. Output cache ID. Specify the name of the cache where the data will be saved. These are the input arguments for the Scikit-Learn Data Cache function. Mention the relevant input arguments based on your data requirements. Run the query, and the UnifyML server will execute it. The output will show the input table. For example, our heart disease dataset is cached successfully. The data cache will be saved to a parquet file. You can use the input cache ID of this data in your future UnifyML functions for better performance. Thank you for watching this video.